This 2011 Chevrolet Camaro 2DR2 DRCPE2SS Coupe features a 6.2 L58 SFIOH V16 V8 cylinder gasoline engine. It is equipped with an automatic transmission. The vehicle is black with a not specified interior. It is offered with the remaining extended warranty. One owner, dealer inspection. This Chevrolet is in seats AM/FM. Contact Internet Sales at 908-686-2800 or John at multiautomall.com for more information. www.multichevrolet.com 908-686-2800